The duplex receptacles simply snap in. Push until a click is heard to make sure it is connected. Notice the letter N with the arrow. This must point in the same direction as the one on the power distribution housing. Every Evolve panel will have notches at the bottom at specific locations to accept a power distribution housing of a corresponding nominal size. Fit the power distribution housing tabs into the two slots and push it into place. When connecting any electrical components together, the letter N with the arrow must be in the same orientation on both components. Make sure they are fully engaged and a click should be heard when plugged in correctly.